Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok and Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create "Wow, someone is looking" video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. In this video trend, you have a Disney character named Alberto from Ciao Alberto who makes a seductive face after your video of you looking good or doing something amazing. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now once you've downloaded that, go ahead and open up TikTok. Now tap on search here at the top right. And here you're searching for "Wow, someone looking." And in the search results, you're looking for this character here, Alberto. So go ahead and tap on it. Now these are all the videos that are doing the trend. So what you're looking for on these videos is this Capcut "Try this template" button. So once you see it, go ahead and tap on that. This will now show you the template. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will load the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now here you want to select a video of yourself or a photo. And then I'll tap on Preview at the bottom right. Now this will show you the preview of your video which you've just created. Now once you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on Export at the top right. Now here at the bottom you get two options. Tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now go ahead and add your own sound by tapping on Add Sound at the top. Next, you want to add your text, your stickers, and any effects if you like. And once you're happy with it, tap on Next and then post that video to TikTok. So that is how to create the video trend "Wow, someone is looking" on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.